To fix error code 0x1 in Modern Warfare 3, follow these steps. Firstly, try updating your Windows computer, as this simple step may resolve the issue. To do this, go to the search bar in your taskbar. Type in Update and click on Check for updates in the system settings. Wait for a few seconds while Windows scans for available updates. If an update is found, download and install it, then restart your computer. After the update is installed, check if the game is working properly. If the issue persists, proceed to the next step, which is to repair the game. Go to the Installed Apps settings on your computer. Locate Modern Warfare 3, and click on the three dots next to it to access the More Options menu. Select Advanced Options and scroll down to the Reset section, where you can choose to repair the app without affecting its data. Wait for the repair process to complete, then restart your computer and check if the game works. If the problem remains, try updating your graphics drivers. For NVIDIA graphics cards, download the NVIDIA GeForce Experience from the official website, install it, and log in with an account. Go to the Drivers tab. Select the Game Ready driver and check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it, then restart your computer. For AMD graphics cards, download the AMD Software Adrenalin Edition from the official website. Open it, and download the latest drivers if an update is available. After updating, restart your computer and try opening the game again. Hopefully, one of these steps will resolve the issue with error code 0x1 in Modern Warfare 3.